Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable online status on Threads. By disabling online status, no one will be able to know when you are online. You will also not be able to see when others are online as well. So to disable this feature on your Threads account, log into your Threads app. So I'll open my app, log into my account, and once you're logged in, now head down here to your profile icon and go to the top right. Tap on these two lines to access settings. Under settings, look for privacy option, and under privacy option, you should see we have here online status. Currently, if I tap on it, you can see it is permitted to followers. So if you only want your followers to see your online status, you can leave it to this. However, if you want it to be enabled to anyone, then you can choose this. But for our case, we want to disable it. So for that, we need to choose no one here, and from now henceforth no one will be able to see your online status. You're told when this is turned off, you won't be able to see the online status of others as well. So that's how you can disable or turn off online status on your Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.